Hello everyone, welcome back. We shall continue with the problem with the signal sketch. Uh, in the previous videos, we solved totally 12 problems. We will continue with the problem number. So now we shall try to solve another 3 problems. And problem is something like this. X of t is given as shown. So it is varying from -1 to 0 and its amplitude is 1. And for 0 to 1, its amplitude is 2. Okay, it is defined from -1 to 1. And I have to sketch y of t, which is x of 2t plus 3. I have to sketch y of t, which is x of 1 by 3t minus 1, and I have to sketch y of t is equal to x of 0.5t plus 2. Okay, so we shall try to solve one by one, and we will take up problem number 13. Problem number 13. So this is of the form y of t is equal to x of what? At plus b, right? So this involves both precedence rules. Why? Because it has both time shift operation as well as time scaling operation. So we have to solve it in 2 steps. First, I have to sketch an intermediate signal v of t, which involves only shifting of the signal, which is x of what? T plus p. So in our case, what is v of t? In this case, what is v of t? So v of t is equal to x of t plus 3, right? Now this is step 1. What is the step 2? Step 2, I have to time scale the intermediate signal, so which is 2t, right? So v of 2t. First I have to get v of t, and then we have to get v of 2t. So we will do that. So problem number 13, y of t is equal to x of 2t plus 3. X of 2t plus 3, and x of t is something like this. Just defined from -1 to 1. From -1 to 0, amplitude is 1. From 0 to 1, amplitude is 2. This is the independent variable t. Okay. So solution. So first I have to get intermediate signal v of t. This is step 1. Right. So what is v of t? V of t involves only shifting of the signal x of t, right? X of t plus 3. Now while shifting, ignore the scaling part. What I need is just x of t plus 3. Now if this is x of t, what is x of t plus t? X of t shifted left how many times? 3 times, right? So we will do that. 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. So this entire thing is shifted 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. So it starts from -2, right? 1, 2, 3. So it starts from -2. So from -2 to -3, amplitude is 2. From -3 to -4, amplitude is 1. So this amplitude is 1 and this amplitude is 2. Okay. So what is the signal? X of t plus 3. So what is step 2? Step 2, I have to scale the intermediate signal, which is v of y of t is my original signal, which we need here. So is equal to what? V of what t? V of the time scaled version 2t, right? Now how do I get v of 2t? So here a is what? A is 2. I have to take inverse of a. I have to take inverse of a, and I have to multiply everywhere in v of t signal. Since we are sketching v of t here, v of 2t. So I have to multiply everywhere inverse of a. Inverse of a is 2. So 1 by 2 I have to multiply everywhere, right? So what do I get? So when I multiply everywhere 1 by 2 in v of t, so -2 amplitude goes to -2 by 2, which is -1, right? -1. So -3 amplitude goes to -3 by 2, which is -3 by 2, which is -1.5. So -4 amplitude is multiplied with 1 by 2, which is -2. So -4 amplitude goes to -2, -3 amplitude goes to -3 by 2, -2 amplitude goes to -1. So amplitude remains the same. Okay, it's basically what? Compressed version, right? So amplitude is 1, 2. So this is t. So this is our. So what is this in terms of x of t? X of. So v of t is what? V of t is x of t plus 3. What is v of 2t? It is x of 2t plus 3. Okay. So this is the solution for problem number 13. Now problem number 14. So what I need is y of t is equal to x of 1 by 3t minus 1, right? So again this involves precedence rule, because this is of the form y of t is equal to x of at minus b, right? First I have to sketch intermediate signal v of t, which contains only shifting part, which is x of t minus b, and then I get y of t, which is the time scale version of v of t, v of at, right? So we'll do that. Before that, we try to sketch x of t. So x of t looks something like this: minus 1, 0, 1, amplitude is 1, amplitude is 2. This is t, right? What I need is step 1. This is the solution. Step 1, I need v of t, and v of t involves only shifting part, which is x of t minus 1, right? So this, if this is our x of t, what is x of t minus 1? This entire signal is shifted right one time, because it is minus, I have to shift it right. How many times I need to shift it right? One time. So this is minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So this entire signal shifts right. So start from 0 and ends at 2, right? So this is the value at t is equal to 0, right? Amplitude is 1, amplitude is 2. So now what is step 2? So how do we get step 2? Step 2 is our original signal y of t, which is equal to time scale version of v of t. So v of what t? V of 1 by 3t, right? So here what is the value of a? A is 1 by 3. Now I have to take inverse of a, and I have to multiply everywhere here with inverse of a, right? Now what is inverse of a? It is 3, right? So 1 by 3 inverse is 3. So 2 goes to 2 into 3, which is 6. 1 goes to 1 into 3, which is 3, and 0 remains there itself. So this is basically expanded version of the signal. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is t. Now 2 is multiplied with inverse of 3, which 2 3s are 6, right? So amplitude at t is equal to 2 goes to t is equal to 6. So amplitude at t is equal to 1 goes to 1 into inverse of 3 is 1 by 3 is 3. So this goes to 3, right? Now 0 times 3, I get 0 itself. So amplitude remains same there itself. So this is amplitude is 1, and this is amplitude is 2. So this is basically expanded version of the signal v of t. And what is this in terms of x of t? X of 1 by 3t minus 1. Okay. So next we shall take up the 15th problem. So 15th problem, number 15. Y of t is equal to x of 0.5t plus 2. So again this involves precedence rule, right? So before that we'll try to sketch x of t. So minus 1, 0, 1. This is t. Amplitude is 1, amplitude is 2. So solution. What is step 1? Step 1 is to get intermediate signal is equal to x of, so what? T plus 2. So this signal is shifted left 2 times, right? This is a t is equal to 0. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So if shifted left 2 times, 1 times, 2 times. So it starts from minus 1 to minus 3. So amplitude is 1, amplitude is 2, right? This is t. So what is step 2? Step 2 is y of t, which is equal to v of time scale version, which is 0.5t. So here a is what? 0.5, which is equal to 1 by 2. Now I have to take inverse of 1 by 2, which is 2, and multiply everywhere in v of t, right? So what do I get? This is at t is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 1. So amplitude at t is equal to minus 1 goes to where? So minus 1 times inverse of a is 2, right? Minus 1 times 2 is 2. Amplitude at t is equal to minus 2 goes to minus 2 times 2, which is minus 4. Amplitude at t is equal to minus 3 goes to minus 3 times 2, which is minus 6. This is 1, this amplitude is 2. Okay, so this is t. So this is our, what is this in terms of x of t? X of 0.5t plus 2. This is our signal y of t. Okay.